Hi, Sabrina Silas here, standing in front of lot 467 in Cypress Trail RV Resort in Fort Myers, Florida. Let's go check it out. This turnkey park model home sits on a 35 by 90 pad with a screened-in lanai, perfect place for a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, and watching the sunset. The open floor plan blends the living area and the kitchen, creating an inviting space where you can cook, relax, and entertain. The kitchen comes fully equipped with appliances, plenty of cabinet space to keep everything organized. The bedroom is thoughtfully designed with built-in drawers, closets, offering ample storage while still filling the coziness for a good night's rest. This property offers 2 outside areas for entertainment, with the back area providing the perfect private area for relaxing. This is more than a home, it's your own little piece of paradise. Don't miss the chance to make it yours and start living the RV resort lifestyle without needing an RV.